Welcome to my channel. Want faster speeds, better coverage, and the power of Wi-Fi 6E in your home? In this video, I'll show you how to set up the Google Nest WiFi Pro router step by step so you can enjoy a smooth and reliable internet connection throughout your home. Step 1. Unbox the Nest WiFi Pro. Start by unboxing your Nest WiFi Pro package. Inside the box, you'll find the router, power adapter, and Ethernet cable. Make sure your modem is already connected and working properly. Step 2. Connect the router to modem. Now connect the Nest WiFi Pro router to your modem using the Ethernet cable. Plug the power adapter into the router and wait for the status light to start glowing. Step 3. Download the Google Home app. Next, install the Google Home app on your Android or iPhone device. Open the app and sign in with your Google account to begin the setup process. Step 4. Add the Nest WiFi Pro device. In the Google Home app, tap the plus icon and select Set up device. The app will automatically detect your Nest WiFi Pro router and guide you through the installation. Step 5. Configure Wi-Fi settings. Now create your Wi-Fi network name and password. You can also enable security settings and update the firmware for the best performance and stability. Step 6. Test connection and placement. Once setup is complete, test your internet speed and coverage around your home. If needed, move the router to a more open location for stronger signal performance. And that's it. Your Nest WiFi Pro 6E router is now fully configured and ready to deliver ultra-fast wireless coverage. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more helpful tech setup guides. For instant help, call 1-803-381-0141.